Okay, it is December 1st, 2011. The lawless Glenwood Police Department again. Car warming up for the funeral, probably. There's the Chief's rig again, 501. Says no smoking. They must know we're here. Chief coming out? I guess which story's coming out? Chief!
Yes,
just the guy
Nemmers.
We want to see.
Okay.
You have the statement from my mother written up?
I can check if it's done. I doubt it is.
Doubt it is.
Yep.
Okay. So.
Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah, we figured you'd be, seeing so it's such a rushed metropolis around here, that you'd have plenty of time to do it. So.
You would like a copy of the statement?
Well, obviously, because, I wasn't there to videotape it, so I don't know if it's accurate or not, so I'd like to have her read it as soon as possible to see if, it matches what she said.
Okay.
See what I'm saying?
Yep, I will check to see if it's done, and I'll be right back with you.
Sounds great. Oh,
Okay.
say, by the way, you remember, can I hang on to that? The red? Remember yesterday when we were here?
Yep.
Okay. And I made mention of the fact that, okay. You remember this picture, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And you remember I said that that I believe that your Officer Khan there had his tape recorder running at the time?
Okay.
And I told you I wanted you to look into that?
Yep.
Did you look into that?
I talked to him about it, and he believed that his recorder was not activated, but I can check on that for you.
Okay.
So
I can get that in writing then?
What would you like in writing?
Yeah, that'd be great.
No, I'm telling you that if there's a copy, or if there is an audio recording of that,
Yeah?
are you requesting a copy of that?
Well, I guess so, seeing so I got trial on Monday.
Okay. I will check into it and let you know.
Okay.
Have a seat. And do you have a telephone number or something, Terry, in case...
you got it on record. Oh, well, yeah. Let's see. Speaking of that, another thing here. I presume you must have it on record because you have my address there. Terry Dean Nemmers, 20179 County Road 28, Villard, Minnesota.
Is that telephone number current?
I think so.
Yeah.
But see, I don't live in Villard, Minnesota, 56385. Do we live it there? No, I didn't think so.
So what is your current address?
Well, I think I told you that in a statement in December 28th, 2010, that it was 20179 County Road 28, Glenwood, Minnesota, 56334. But when I got the statement from you, it came back with Villard, Minnesota, 56385, just like it did with this.
Okay, so you wanted to say Glenwood.
Well, I think that's where I live, and I think it's your job to make sure the facts are straight, seeing so I gave it to you in that recorded
Terry,
statement.
You're being argumentative. I'm asking you a simple question.
I'm just trying to...
Give me a simple answer.
Well, of course I do. That's the point. Of course, I want the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. But see, I don't get that here. Hang on to that. See, because you remember...
So it should be Glenwood. Simple answer. Simple
should
question.
Be Glenwood, Minnesota, 56334. Remember I told you yesterday when I was here how on last Monday, that I was at that kangaroo court trial there, and they presented that video evidence without the audio because they didn't have a transcript. And you said, well, geez, I don't have any proof that they're withholding evidence, right? Well, see,
I told you, Terry, that those complaints have nothing to do with this agency. You need to file those complaints with the Sheriff's Department. And if you feel
I understand.
If you don't want to do that, then you can go to the Bureau of Criminal Apprehension to file.
Well, see, that's the thing. That was another thing I wanted to bring up, because initially, when I brought this complaint here, you didn't mention the BCA at all. See? It's only until my mother filed a complaint yesterday.
I believe that I did tell you the BCA, but...
Really? Because I have it on video, you remember. So,
Yep.
right.
I know you like to make videos of everything.
Well, see, that way it cuts both ways, Chief. You know, you can catch me in a lie or catch me in a mistake, and I can catch you in all sorts of lies.
I'm not lying to you, Terry.
Well,
I never have.
Really?
Yes.
See, so because you never have. Well, how about the fact that, see, could you report this to the BCA?
It is not my position to report that. If you have a complaint...
No. Can you?
I will not.
No, you will not.
I will
I
not.
understand that, but you could.
Okay.
You could, because we could report it to the BCA, right?
You feel that you're the victim, you need to report it, not us. It
Right.
has nothing to do with this jurisdiction or this agency.
Right,
okay?
well, that's
I'm being
your
completely
allegation,
honest
or
with
that's
you.
your...
No, that's the complaint you want to make. I've told you that.
Right.
It has nothing to do with our department.
Right,
If you have that complaint with the sheriff's department, report it to them.
right. The
Okay.
person who is involved in the perjury and the
Well,
home
then,
invasion.
Contact the BCA, and if you don't want to contact the BCA,
Right.
contact the Attorney General's office.
Right. Oh, now we got an Attorney General. See, now it's another one we got now. See? Before it
I'm
was
just
just...
giving you choices and options, Terry.
Well,
What
you didn't
choose
give me
to
any
do with
choices on options in
What
any
you
other point in
choose to
time,
do with
though.
it is up to you.
Well, I understand that, Chief, because you're not going to turn on your little buddy there.
It has nothing to do with
Of
that.
course it does, Chief, because like I told you,
Again, Terry,
the Glenwood Police
I'm not
Department
gonna be
were
involved.
involved in my home invasion
Terry,
in
I'm not going to
2007.
be involved in your arguments.
I'm not arguing. I'm
and
stating
these
facts,
things that you're
Chief.
trying to do.
Well, that's fine, Chief. All we're asking you to do is do your job. But
And that's what we do.
Well, it isn't because you put the false information on my
Terry,
reports.
there's no false information.
Really?
Yes, if that address is incorrect, we can change it.
Well, you said it's incorrect, so that's false then, right?
If it's incorrect, we can change it. I'm asking you.
Yeah, I already
Is it
told you that.
incorrect? It's incorrect.
I told you that a long time
We can
ago.
change
I
it.
told you that on a sworn statement, or on the statement in your office down there, that it was County Road 20179, County Road 28, Glenwood, Minnesota 56334, back in December. See? Of last year. I have that on video.
Terry, it's not a big deal.
Well, of course it is, Chief, because it's your job to get it right, isn't it?
We do the best that we can.
Yeah, well, you had the video. You had the your little tape recorder there.
instead of,
I have
Terry,
witnesses.
instead of doing this back and forth thing like you always like to do, you were requesting a copy of your statement, that's correct? Okay, I will check on that. And you are requesting a copy of the video, if there is one.
Audio or video
What's
or...
the date? And what's the date on that?
September 7th, 2011. I showed that to you yesterday. That's on video too.
Okay.
See?
Yes. Yep.
See? Right there.
September
September
7th.
7th, 2011. Just like I told you yesterday.
Got it.
You could have watched it on my video.
Okay, I'll be right back with you, Terry.
Okay, sounds great.
Okay.
Hi. Chief is getting pretty worried.
Okay. The transcription of the statement is not done yet.
Okay.
So as soon as that's done, I'll give you a call and let you know that you can stop in and pick it up. And I'll have to check to see if there was a audio recording of that incident that you're referring to.
Didn't he just say there wasn't? So you're going to put it in writing then?
No, what I said was I didn't believe that there was.
Oh, okay.
But
Okay.
we will review
Okay.
what we have,
Okay.
okay, because it stores it to a chip on there.
Right, right,
Okay, they bring that in and they download it.
right.
When the chip is starting to get full, that's when we download it.
Okay.
Okay, so I will have to go and check to see if it's there.
Okay. Sounds great.
Okay?
All right.
All right. So we will change your address to Glenwood.
Okay. 56334.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. And we'll go from there.
Okay. Thanks,
All right?
Chief.
Okay, you bet. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Take care.
Car's still running. We've been in there for, let's see, 20, I can't see what the time says on this, 35 minutes. Car's still been running for 35 minutes. That's a waste of your tax dollars right there. just so this car can stay nice and toasty warm here. Number 500. Okay, where were we just at?
At the Glenwood Police Department.
Okay, who were we talking with?
With Chief Danter.
Right, and he was interrupted during the conversation by someone who came to the door, knocked on it or whatever, and opened it up and talked to him. Who was that guy?
That was Policeman Khan.
Okay, the guy we were talking about, where the audio or video was about him just a few seconds before, right?
Right.
Okay, alrighty.